So let's add our login form. So here we will use the HTML structure and change the title to admin login. So let's move to the app.blade.php. So we need also the bootstrap CSS file. So let's copy and paste it here. So we need also JS file. So let's bring it from, so let's see here. So where is it? So here is bootstrap.js file. So let's use it here, and we can also use so let's use same fonts that we have here. So let's copy and move to the top. So let's paste it here, and we can use the same thing that we have inside our main.css. So let's copy from here, and we can add here style tag, and inside let's add the CSS that we have copied, and we are done. So save. So next we need to add, so let's organize this code from here and here. So let's now add the form. So we can get, let's do something. Let's get any form from here for the attendance, or let's use the employee. So since employee has the email, and we can use also password. So the employee doesn't have the password, but we will create it. Okay, let's add this div. So here let's give this body a bg lights, and we need div with the container, and now we can paste everything. So let's close this divs, and here let's add the margin top and bottom of 5, and here call md6 and mx auto, and margin top of 5, and let's add also div with the card header, and card header will have the text to center and bg white, and inside we have h2 with the margin top of 2, and here we have login. So save. Let's refresh the page, and here is the login. Okay, so now we can add the form. So let's bring this from here and reuse it here. So what we have here, so we don't need the onc type. Let's remove the space. So the method is post. So it will take us to the route which is auth, and here let's change it to email, and here from first name to email. Here also we need email, and here the type is email, and here email. So why it's not changed also here? So we have email. So we need another div, and this one will be for the password. So here let's change it to password. But for the placeholder we need it to be uppercase, and also here uppercase. So what is next? So next we need the button. Let's move down and bring, so let's bring the button and closing tag of the form. So let's see where is so here is the form. This is the first and second divs. So let's now paste here and remove the cancel and change it to primary and submit, and here we can use login. So save. Let's refresh the page and see what we have here. So if we hit login, so as you can see, the email field is required, password field is required. So if we use any email and password, so the provided credentials do not match any of our records. So if we use, but we did not seed the admin yet. So let's seed first admin. So I forgot to seed the admin. So we have already the factory here, which is the user factory. So let's change it here, name to admin, email to admin email.com. So here we can use the password, which is password, and we keep the random string. Next, let's move to seeders, database seeder. And here let's comment this part and uncomment this line and create only one. So now we are done. Let's move to our terminal. So PHP, or let's clean this terminal. So PHP artisan db seed. So hit enter and we are done. So seeding, so we are done. So now let's try to, or let's refresh the page. So let's use correct email with the wrong password. So login. So same message. So let's now use the same or correct email and password. And we are logged in. Okay, so now if we try to access the login again, so we are redirected to the home page because we are already logged in. So now what left? So we need to add logout here. So the admin can log out.